Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make only one tab to play audio and mute other tab audio automatically in Chrome browser. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by opening the Chrome web browser. Say I have opened two different tabs. So you can see here right now I opened two different tabs, right? So let me try to play some audio on both the respective tabs. So let me try to play it. So right now you can see on the above two audio or speaker icons. That means both the tabs are playing the audio respectively. So by default we don't have such option to make only one tab to play audio and mute other tab audio automatically in Chrome browser. So for this, what you need to do is in the Google search, just search for one application name as Smart Mute for Chrome, and on the first list you will see the application. Just click on it. Now just click on this Add to Chrome, click on Add Extension. Now just click on this extension icon, and now just click on this pin, and now let us try to play the audio again on different tabs. So you can see the other tab audio has been automatically muted. So you can see here whenever I switch to different tabs it gets mute. So you can see here. So by using this application named as Smart Mute, you can easily make only one tab to play audio and mute other tab audio automatically in Chrome browser very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.